Creating RFX settings. When creating a new tender, many will have the same default approvals and other tender properties. Selecting a RFX lets the tender creator apply the same settings every time. To create a new RFX, click the RFX submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add New Approval button, enter an approval name, and select which options and approvals will be applied in a tender, then save the RFX settings. Now, when creating a new tender, different approvals and settings will be applied depending on which RFX is selected. Approvals can be added or removed if they are not needed, as well as any extra settings. A RFX setting must be selected before the tender can be saved. After saving, the RFX type will be listed in the Properties section, and all the approvals and options set.